This is the THIKPO Universal Fuel Injector Tester. Here's a handle for the case. So here's everything. The tester itself, the adapters, the power cable, some gloves. These are the adapters to attach the fuel injector to the carb cleaner can. They have different size holes to attach to different size fuel injectors. These clamps attach to a battery so you can power the tester. It says they are made of copper. Disposable gloves, and this here. This is a Teflon tape to wrap around the fuel injector in case you need a more snug fit. Here's the tester. It is very light and sounds hollow inside. This is what the buttons sound like. These are the connectors for the fuel injector. 2 sets of connectors. Here are the wires coming out of the top that go to the fuel injectors. And the power connector goes here. This is the manual. There are 8 modes and it gives you a description of each mode. There's single pulse, short pulse, long pulse, and continuous pulse. When you're on continuous pulse and it's running, you need to press the pulse button to stop it. I narrowed it down to 2 sizes for my fuel injector. This fit is okay, but this is a much tighter fit and I like it better. I'm going to try this one. I've got a 12-volt battery here. Let's power up the tester. Has a nice bright light. Pulsing. Toggling through the modes. My injector has the positive side indicated, but I don't think it matters which side you connect to positive. You just need to have 1 red wire and 1 black one. Let's just test the injector solenoid to see if it's working good. Single pulse, low power. Short pulse, low power. Long pulse, low power. Here's my carb cleaner can without the cap. I practiced putting the adapter on the can without the tester. No good. The injector was at an angle. I forgot to hold the injector here. Now the injector is connected to the tester. I forgot to press the pulse button. There we go. That's better. Let's do it again. Let me show you how I grab the injector. It works good. I like this fuel injector tester. But there's one issue. With all the spraying, I got spots on the tester. The residue from the carb cleaner stained the tester. The next day, it looked worse. So that's the one disappointment that I do have with this product. One use, and it looks like this. I recommend that you cover the tester or laminate it to protect it. If you're looking for a fuel injector tester, check this one out.